Voila. Hello. Greg Potter from GDS Technologies here in Toronto, Canada. We want to talk about the features here. We went with the rugged tires. We went with the emergency stop button that shuts down the whole system. We've got our meters here. We also have a timer. So that way there we can time it. This is the benefit of your warranty. We have two 110, 115 outlets. Each one of them here is 1500 watts, or you got your 240. Now we also have a, and this is more for your stoves or your dryers, we also have a breaker. So it's a GFI, all these plugs are GFI, so they kick out. We also, this is an added bonus, because if water goes in here, not fuel of any kind. If this tank here, 4 gallons, should last about 3 days. Now, if you're not going to be around and you want to attach your house hose to it, I put a floating device in here, and it's with a check valve, and it's a one-way. So water will go in if you turn this on and leave it on, hooked up with your hose. Now, we went with a gauge for your water tank. So this here at the top is your gauge. Okay, it's something we rigged up. It works nicely and it's accurate. And it's got a floating device on it. There's your floater. Hi everyone. That's better. This is a traditional generator. It's ran by diesel. This is a GDS 3000. As you can see in here, it's pretty quiet. And it's clean. No pollution whatsoever. Now we're going to show a couple of things on here, how it works. With a basic power bar, we're just going to do a couple of demonstrations. Plug it in the 110 unit. There's our power. That's our breaker right here. It's off. Now it's back on. Come over here. Turn the radio on. Why are you on? Or you can even go with higher, you want a vacuum. Let's do a little vacuum. Now, this unit is at 3,000 watts per hour. 3,000 watts can do lighting construction. It can run your lights, fridge, your appliances, and that's with a 240, your stove, your dryer, which is 240. But then also, it can run computers, TVs, etc. However, it's not strong enough to run air conditioning. That's where you're going to need the 5,000 watts. Because the 5,000 watts, it'll do probably 3 air conditioners. Okay, let's take a look at inside here. Okay, here's what we've come up with. We doubled up on everything we needed and we made it safe. Now if you take a look underneath, there's no wires, there's no extension cords, nothing is running this unit but this unit. There's no smoke, no pollution, and the noise is super quiet. We say it's 50% less noisy than traditional, Well, it's a lot lower than that. Thank you for your support.